Somewhere in the depths of the universe, far beyond the reach of our telescopes, lies something that defies understanding, a place so massive, so powerful, that it bends the paths of galaxies themselves. It's called the Great Attractor, and it's pulling us toward it, right now, every moment, every second. The Milky Way, our sun, our entire cosmic neighborhood, drifts silently through space at over 600 kilometers per second, not aimlessly, but drawn towards something we cannot see, an invisible hand, hidden behind a veil of stars and dust. When astronomers first measured the motion of galaxies in the 1970s, they noticed something strange. The galaxies weren't just expanding outward from the Big Bang, they were moving, together, as if falling toward a single point. Even our own Milky Way was being pulled, not by gravity within, but by something beyond. This mysterious center lay in the direction of the constellations Norma and Triangulum Australe, but there was a problem. That region of the sky is blocked by our own galaxy, the zone of avoidance, where thick cosmic dust hides everything behind it, a region so opaque that even the most powerful telescopes struggle to see through. And yet, somewhere behind that curtain, something enormous waits. They called it the Great Attractor. At first, scientists thought it might be a massive cluster of galaxies, maybe even a concentration of dark matter bending space around it. But as data improved, they realized the truth was far stranger. The Great Attractor isn't just one object, it's part of an even grander structure, something we didn't even know existed. The laniakea supercluster, a vast cosmic web stretching 500 million light-years across, our galaxy, is just a thread within that web, slowly sliding toward its luminous core. Imagine it, hundreds of thousands of galaxies, all drifting, like leaves carried by a cosmic current, each one moving, unaware, toward a gravitational basin in space-time. That's what's happening to us, right now, our entire existence, being pulled towards something hidden in the dark. And here's the unsettling part, even the Great Attractor itself is being pulled. Beyond it lies an even greater mystery, something scientists call the Shapley supercluster, a region even denser, brighter, and more massive. It's as if the universe itself is falling into a cascade of motion, drawn by invisible tides we barely understand. When you look up at the night sky, it feels calm, peaceful, but the truth is, everything you see is moving, not just rotating or orbiting, but drifting toward an unseen fate, a slow, unstoppable flow that has lasted billions of years. Perhaps the Great Attractor isn't a destination, maybe it's a glimpse into how gravity organizes the universe, how matter, light, and even time itself are shaped by something deeper, something cosmic, almost alive. And maybe it's not just galaxies that are pulled toward something, maybe we are too, drawn by curiosity, by wonder, by the invisible pull of questions we may never answer. In the end, the Great Attractor reminds us of a beautiful truth, that even in a universe filled with mystery, motion itself is proof of life. We are moving, learning, discovering, forever drawn towards something greater than ourselves. And as our galaxy continues its quiet journey through the infinite, we drift ever closer to the unknown, to the place where gravity and imagination meet, to the Great Attractor, the hidden heartbeat of the cosmos. If this journey through the universe moved you, subscribe to Beyond Universe Show, because beyond every discovery lies another mystery, waiting, just beyond the stars.